Have you ever tried installing an app on your Onn streaming device, only to discover that it's not available on the Google Play Store? Let's say I want to install Peacock app on my streaming device. I search for it on the Play Store, but the app is nowhere to be found. Google Play shows me a bunch of unrelated apps instead. Well, the good news is that you're not limited to what's available on the Play Store. You can still sideload your favorite third-party apps directly onto your Onn device. And in this video, I'll show you one of the best downloader codes for Onn devices. So with that said, let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to head over to the menu at the top using your remote and select the settings icon all the way to the right. Now, this is where you can change all your device settings. Scroll down to System and select About from the list. Next, scroll all the way down to Android TV OS Build. This part is important, so pay attention. Click this option 7 times continuously. Once you see the message, "You are now a developer," that means developer mode has been successfully enabled. Press the Home button once. Now we need to install an app called Downloader. This is where you'll install all your favorite apps. Go to the menu at the top and select Apps. If Downloader appears in the suggestions, great. If not, use the search bar and type Downloader, or use your voice command to find it. From the list of Downloader apps, select the orange one at the top. Click Install, and in a few minutes, it will be ready. While it's downloading, take a moment to hit subscribe. It'll barely take a second. Once installed, open the Downloader app. Inside Downloader, click on the URL field. Now enter this code, 8533602. This code will redirect you to my website's Onn TV Hacks downloader page, where I've organized essential Android apps into categories such as live TV, sports, IPTV, kids, and VPNs. Everything is updated regularly so you can always access the latest working versions. For this tutorial, I'll be installing one of the official apps just to show you how the downloading process works step by step. Just select any app that you want to install and then wait for it to download automatically. Most of the apps listed in our Downloads page begin downloading automatically, but if not, you'll be asked to press on the download icon for the installation to start. Now you can click Install and complete the process. Before installing any of these apps, make sure you use a VPN that helps you protect your streaming activity and helps you unblock geo-restricted services. Surfshark is currently one of the cheapest and most reliable options out there. You can use the link in the description below to grab an exclusive discount of up to 87% off on its 2-year plan, plus an additional 3 months free along with it. After installation, you'll be prompted to delete the APK files that have been stored on the device. If you press the Home button on your remote, you'll find your recently installed application in the Apps menu. Before you go, make sure to visit OnnTVHacks.com for more in-depth guides, expert reviews, and the latest updates on streaming and Onn TV devices. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Onn TV Hacks, and let me know in the comments what Onn TV tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another informative video very soon.